Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Roblox with multiple accounts at the same time on your iPhone. First, you need to know this. On iPhone, you cannot run two Roblox accounts at the same time inside the same app, but there are simple way to around this. The easiest method is to use two devices. For example, one account in your iPhone and another account on iPad or a second phone. Now you can apply both account at the same time. Another simple method is using your iPhone and the computer. Log into one Roblox account in your iPhone and second account on your MacBook or PC. If you only have iPhone, you can still switch account quickly. Go to the setting inside the Roblox, tap log out or tap switch account. You can log in with your another ID. This won't run both account at the once, but it's the fastest way on a one device. Always avoid using third-party apps that promise multiple Roblox accounts. They may be unsafe or get your account banned, and that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found the video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.